welcome to the GeoForce IT Services and Trading Enterprise once again. In our previous lesson, we look at how to set up our bulk SMS account and some basic settings in our bulk SMS account. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to save bulk contacts so that we can send messages to over 5,000 people within 5 minutes. So the only thing that you need to do here is to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for all, so that whenever we upload a new video about a particular subject, you'll be able to receive the notification. Okay, so please, I'll be taking you through the steps you need to follow so that you can do that. So please make sure that you watch this video or these tutorials from the beginning till it ends. Don't skip any part, because if you do so, you will miss some valuable aspects of this particular lesson. Thank you. What we are going to do is that we are going to use the WPS app. So I have my app here. This is the WPS app that I'm talking about. So if you are not having this app, just go to Play Store and download it, WPS. So what you have to do is you have to click on the app and launch it. Okay, so we have the app here. Now come to this sign here, the plus sign here. Tap on the plus sign. Now let's select Excel. We are going to use Microsoft Excel for this particular thing. So this is the Excel. Tap on it. Okay, so let's come to the blank space here. Click on the plus. Click on the plus here. Okay, so this is what we are going to use to bulk save the contacts of all our customers. So you write the name of the person here, then you write the telephone number here. So let's start by writing the name of the person. So tap on the box here, double click on the box or double tap on the box. So I'm going to save the contact of some 3 people. So let me give them names. So let's say GeoForce. Okay, so now let me come to the B column here to enter the telephone number of GeoForce. So 0540620528. Good. Now after getting the contact here, you come to the check sign, you check it. Good. Okay, now what do we do? Let's come to the down here. Let's come to the down here and tap on this icon. Okay, so let's scroll down and locate cell format. This is cell format. Click on the cell format. Okay, now let's come to number. Tap on number. Okay, so when you tap on number, this is what you see. You see general here. Tap on this button here and let's move to special. Let's tap on special. Okay, now let's special type. So let's come to zip code. Let's go to zip code and click on phone number. Good. So now let's come and click on OK. Click on OK. Good. So you can see the telephone number here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to extend the bus. So let's extend the bus. Those things that you have there, they are not telephone numbers. So let's extend the bus so that we can see the real telephone number. So these are the telephone numbers. They are supposed to be one. Supposed to be only one. Okay. Now let me bulk save the contact of another person. So I'm going to save the contact of Foster. So let's say its contact is 0544565377. Then you tap on this check button here. Good. So it continues like that. That is when you tap on the B sign here, then you do it, it continues like that. So let's quickly go and save the contact of the third person again. So I'm going to save the contact of another person. So let's say Wisdom. So let me type his telephone number here, 05481438823. Then you tap on the check sign. Good. Now let's go to the icon here. Sorry. Let's come to the button here. Click on it again. Let's go to cell format. This is the format. Sorry, let's go to format cells. Now let's go to number. Let's go to general. Now let's come to special. Okay, so we have to change this zip code here to number. So you go to phone number. Tap on phone number. You click on OK. Click on OK and let's go back. Good. So okay, so now let's save our work. So come to the done button, tap on done. Now come to this sign here, save. Good. So let's give it a name, Jufos Graphics or Jufos E-commerce. Good. Now you can decide to put password on this, but let's leave it. Let's come to the save button. Okay, so Jufos F. Good. Our work has been saved successfully. So thank you very much for watching this video. In the next lesson, that will be lesson 3, we'll be looking at how to upload our saved contacts to our SMS portal so that we can have a successful delivery. So the only thing you need to do is to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for all, and wait patiently for lesson 3. Thank you very much. Bye bye.